Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum, student. Today is Thursday, 14th January 2021. Today the topic is algebraic expressions and formulas. Today we are going to solve exercise 4.1. Before solving the exercise, we will revise the definitions of algebraic expressions and rational expressions. Here we have the definition of algebraic expression. Algebra is a generalization of arithmetic. Recall that when operations of addition and subtractions are applied to algebraic terms, we obtain algebraic expressions. For example, 5x square minus 3x plus 2 over x under root and 3xy plus 3 over x, in which x is not equal to 0, are the algebraic expressions. The second definition is about the polynomials. A polynomial in the variable x is an algebraic expression of the form p into x is equal to n x raised power n plus a n minus 1 x raised power n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 into x raised power n minus 2 plus so on, in which a n is not equal to 0. So all the algebraic expression in which the variable in its positive form and the power of the variable is not non-negative and non-fractional, all the algebraic expressions are called the polynomials. Now we are revising the definition of rational expression. The quotient PO into x over Q into x, there are two algebraic expressions Px and Qx which are in the fraction form of two polynomials Px and Qx, where Qx, which is in the denominator, is a non-zero polynomial, is called a rational expressions. For example, 2x plus 1 over 3x plus 8 or 3x plus 8 is not equal to 0 is a rational expression. In fraction form, the denominator must not be equal to 0. So in the rational expression p into x over q into x, px is called the numerator and qx is known as the denominator of the rational expression of px over qx. The rational expressions px over qx need not to be a polynomial. Here is a note that every polynomial px can be regarded as a rational expression, since we can write px as px over 1 because every number has 1 in its denominator. Thus we can write that px over 1. Thus every polynomial is a rational expression, but every rational expression need not be a polynomial. So by using the definition of polynomial and rational expression, we will solve the exercise. Here is exercise 4.1. The question number 1 is identify whether the following algebraic expressions are polynomial, yes or no. So we are going to solve the question number 1. Here is question number 1. Identify whether the following algebraic expression are polynomial, yes or no. So we are going to solve the second part, which is 3x cube minus 4x square minus x under root x plus 3. So in solution we will write the algebraic expression, which is 3x cube minus 4x square minus x under root x plus 3. So if we observe and recall the definition of polynomial, the variable here is which is involved is x. Here is the variable x has the power 3 is a positive, and x square is also positive, and x into x under root. So the variable is in under root form, so it will not be a polynomial. So reason is, so we write here the answer that it's no, it's not a polynomial. Reason is because the variable x is in under root. So this polynomial is not a this algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Reason is under root x. Now we are going to solve the fourth part, which is 3x over 2x minus 1 plus 8. So in solution we write the algebraic expression again, 3x over 2x minus 1 plus 8. If we observe this algebraic expression, the variable is in the denominator, so it is not a polynomial. So the answer is no, and reason is 1 over 2x minus 1. So it is the variable is in the denominator, so it will not be a polynomial.